Hey everyone, it's me. Today, we're exploring something a bit different, a TV that's specifically built for the outdoors. Meet the SYLVOX 65-inch Smart QLED Outdoor TV with a rolling stand. This isn't your standard living room display. It's designed to handle full sunlight, unpredictable weather, and commercial-grade durability, all while delivering 4K UHD visuals and 2000 nits of brightness. Indoor TVs are fantastic when the environment is controlled, low light, stable temperature, and zero moisture. But place them outside, and they instantly run into problems. Glare, reflections, heat, and even rain can ruin the panel. Outdoor TVs like this one are engineered differently. They're brighter, tougher, and built to last under any conditions. Starting with the display, this is a 65-inch 4K UHD QLED panel. The QLED technology delivers vibrant colors, strong contrast, and more accurate visuals than standard LEDs. But the real standout is the brightness. At 2000 nits peak, this TV can easily compete with sunlight, allowing you to watch content outdoors without losing image quality. Standard indoor TVs can't come close. Reflections are always an issue outdoors, but this panel comes with an anti-glare coating. While no screen is entirely reflection-proof, this TV significantly reduces glare, making it much easier to enjoy movies or sports outside. Durability is another strong point. The chassis is built to resist dust, moisture, and temperature fluctuations. With an IP55 rating, it's safe from water jets and dust, so you can leave it outside in rain or shine. Unlike indoor TVs, which require constant protection, the SYLVOX is made for real-world outdoor use. The rolling stand adds versatility. Unlike fixed wall mounts, you can move this TV around your backyard or patio with ease. It's stable and secure, perfect for parties or commercial spaces where the layout might change. This is a fully smart TV, too. You can stream Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and more, and control it with Google Assistant or Alexa. 4K UHD playback, HDR support, and upscaling ensure that all content looks as good as possible in outdoor conditions. Audio in open-air environments is always challenging, but SYLVOX tuned the speakers to project sound farther and clearer than typical indoor TVs. If you want to take it to the next level, pairing it with a weatherproof soundbar works great, but even alone, it delivers solid outdoor sound. This TV is perfect for homeowners who love backyard movie nights, poolside sports, or casual outdoor viewing. Imagine watching Sunday football or your favorite movies outside in daylight, with no glare or image washout. Commercially, it's ideal for rooftop bars, restaurants, or hotels, providing reliable, high-quality displays for customers outdoors. Maintenance is minimal. Unlike indoor TVs exposed to the elements, you won't need covers or constant monitoring. This TV is engineered to stay outside year-round, resistant to dust, moisture, and corrosion that makes it a smart long-term investment for both residential and commercial users. Of course, there are trade-offs. Outdoor TVs like this are bulkier than indoor OLEDs and lack the ultra-slim, minimalist aesthetic. Black levels won't be as deep as an indoor OLED in total dark.